Hi guys, it's me, Christina, back with another video, and I'm going to be doing a slime tutorial. And if you hear people talking in the bathroom, then I mean in the living room or on the TV, it's just the TV talking because my mom's watching something. But first things you're going to do is take a bowl and hold on. And then you're gonna put your Elmer's glue in it. I'm using Elmer's glue extra strong formula. It just says just using this glue. And then I'm gonna dump it in here. I'm gonna use all of it. Make sure you do that in there really good. Make sure like some of it comes, all of it like comes out, or at least as much as you can get out of it. Hi, Braylon. My sister. Okay. I have a lot of glue in here, so I'm gonna stop. Oh, you know what I forgot? Mom, do you know if I have any more shaving cream left? Huh? We still have shaving cream left, right? Okay.
Is there any left?
Yeah. I need to find the one that.
Is there any in there?
Yeah. And then I have like this much glue in here. Then you're going to add the shaving cream.
What are you doing?
I'm using fluffy shaving cream.
What are you doing?
A decent amount in there. Oop. Okay. I added a lot in there. Oh, and then after this, you're just going to mix it. Well mixed. It needs to be really well mixed or it won't work. And hopefully this doesn't turn out a disaster like my other slime did. I know this will work because I know I did it. I know I'm doing it right. Okay, then after that, you can add shaving cream in there. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I'm going to add some. I'm going to add blue, but there's not that much blue left, and I can't use it. Okay, there's some blue left. Okay, I'm like running out of that. I have to get more of it. That's my sister. Oh, I'm sorry that I haven't been recording lately. I've just been really busy. I want to We'll see if we have green. No. That's okay though. And then you're just going to keep mixing until you don't have to use that kind of food coloring. You don't have to use blue. You can use whatever color you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now on to the borax. Hold on, babe. I use 20 Mule Team Borax Detergent Booster. It's like detergent, but like it helps with slime. So then you're gonna take that and you're gonna put in. This is how much I put in, but you don't have to. You can put lower. I put 1 TSP 5 ml. So it looks like this here. Like that. You don't have to use a burn either. You just have to use that. And I'm getting mine like a baby bluish. Like a baby blue if you can see it. Or it's like a baby blue. Okay. And then you're going to mix your borax up. You're going to pour that in there and then mix it and let it dissolve. I did this earlier, a little bit earlier there, before the video, so I had it done. But then you can use Tide detergent to contact solution, slime activator, which is, I guess, whatever I just said. And then you're going to add this in a little bit at a time. But I'm not ready for that yet because I just... Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to add in a little bit at a time. I'm just going to add this in there, mix until it's a good consistency and where you can start mixing with your hand and everything like that. I need to add a little bit more. I only added a little bit of two things, and now I'm going to start mixing with my hands because I think it's time for me to do that. But if not, then I'll keep adding more borax till it's not sticky. And then you keep adding borax till it's not sticky, like I literally just said, like that. I'm gonna rinse my hands off really quick. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more in. Okay, guys, this is going to be it for today's video.